Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do my big fan bun. So I thought I'd come on here and show you guys how I do it. My hair is in a puffy state, so I've just been trying to put it up and protect it and not put any heat on it for right now. I don't really like to pull my hair up often because, you know, that's a lot of tension. I don't really do that. So let's get right into the video. This is my hair right now. I put grease on it last night, but I'm going to put some more grease on it. During this style, I'm not going to use any moisturizer. Like, this is literally going to be the easiest fan bun tutorial you're going to watch. Okay, so I went around twice. Now I still have it like this. I'm just going to make it go one last time and leave it like I was making a regular bun. So from this point, now I just put a little tail at the back like this. From the ends I didn't do. So now I'm just going to spread it out. Like, this style is really so easy. People make it more complicated than it has to be. First, I'm just going to take my gel to gel my edges a little bit. Okay, so now I have 3 bobby pins. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I just fixed my baby hairs or whatever a little bit, did a little swoop or whatever. And this is my bun. It's so easy. When you're making your ponytail, you just let the hair stop and you have a tail and you fan it out. This is literally the easiest bun ever, but people always ask me questions about it. If you guys would like more bun tutorials, because people always ask me questions about my buns, please let me know. Yeah, I have some great things on the way. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.